What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see by the thumbnail, man. We got a little action for y'all. I wasn't gonna post it. Man. Not right now, but I'm like, I ain't got nothing to give y'all today, cause it ain't nothing going on. Just chilling. It's a beautiful Sunday and all of that. So it ain't really nothing going on there. I can't turn no wrenches. We still waiting on. The alternator plug for wifey car and all of that. See, I could cut it out big meats, but then I just be having to re-splice wires together and all that. So I was like, man, I'm just gonna wait, get her a brand new one. So yeah, we kind of at a standstill on my end with all these cars. I done did all I can do. I know we got not the alternator, the what is it? The electric choke wire ran, but the car won't stay running. I just topped all the fluids off. We got antifreeze, water, transmission fluid, all that in this car now, but it won't stay running because the alternator not charging. With meats, like I said, if you've been missing videos and you ain't saw, I'm gonna be buying a Vortex engine. Possibly gonna go ahead and buy it this month. Go ahead and get it in, or maybe it'll get here before the year's out. So that'll give me something to do too. I drop that in, get that installed and all that. We'll put the intake on it. Same thing we did with the engine and wifey car. And you know, put the intake, one belt set up, go to LKQ and grab that and all that good stuff, man. You know, set it up, get back in that lighter and all that. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and stick the Vortex in big meats. It'll be back on the road. Get the 700 R4 transmission back from Showtime. And now I'm gonna have to go ahead and put a flow shifter in big meats, since it already had a spot for it when I had a flow shifter back in the day. And it's a manual valve body that's going in my 700, so gonna have to go through them gears every time. So we're gonna do that. But big meats gonna be a quick swap, cause everything already, you know, it done had an engine, the headers and the exhaust still hooked up, so it's gonna be fairly quick, and that engine bay wide open, so y'all know it's easy. But anyway, I always update y'all on each video, but today's video is about John Jones. You can see by the thumbnail, took it to the track. I didn't take it. My guy Zach over at SOB Built Motorsports, the information is on the screen right now. They took it to the track yesterday, and man, I was out with the fam. We was out doing Christmas stuff and all of that. Every ticket they sent, man, car got better and better, faster and faster. Man, the car went a number straight out the trailer. They ran it in a quarter mile. That's the first time my car ever been ran in a quarter mile. I ain't never ran a quarter mile myself. So we got the 8 mile and quarter mile time. And that John Jones fast, man. That's all I can say. John Jones fast, man. SOB Built Motorsports is the truth. Vega Tune is the truth on them keys, man. So hey, my car is proof. I've been trying to tell people, like, the guys are the truth. I send y'all nothing but good people. I'm recommending nothing but good people and shops for y'all to do business with. Y'all getting real world experience through me. They the truth. Man. Just spend that money. That's how you do with all these shops, like SOB Built or Lawless Street Cars, all them. Man, just spend that money one time, man. Get it done the first time. Be done with it. Boom, boom. But Zach took the car down there. Man, he ran it 3 shakedown. The car went faster every single pass. It went faster than that was it. You know, start getting dark. So you know when it get dark now, the dew start falling and stuff. But win a number. So I'm gonna put one of the shakedowns up. Let y'all see at least one of the shakedowns and all of that. Said the car been on the dyno. You gotta go over to the other channel, go check that out. Been on the dyno. I'm not revealing any numbers right now. I saw the comments. They were like, oh, my guy Mark, he was like, man, Jay, you need to show everything, man. It's like, man, we don't. It like watching a TV show basically, and then you don't know what's gonna happen. Like, so it's cliffhanger, man. Y'all just gotta wait. Y'all gotta wait, man. Making it entertaining, you know. Let your mind wander, let your mind think. But if you've been following my channels any amount of time, you know I already showed you how much power it make. We've been on the dyno. I showed what it run on a hard tie. I just have never revealed what the car run on the radio. So I'm kind of keeping it a surprise. Am I gonna reveal? Yeah, I'm gonna reveal, cause I'm not in the grudge racing no more. I mean, when I used to grudge race, I did in the street and stuff. I ain't into all that. And I would not race. I'm gonna say this again. I would not race anybody I'm not cool with. And I would not race anybody that's not a supporter of mine. I don't care who you is. I don't care how much junk you talk, this and that. For one, racing about fun. It ain't about dollars and all that. It's about fun to me. I don't put these cars together out there trying to go beat so-and-so and all of that. If you faster than me, you faster than me. I don't care what your title is. I put these cars together, have fun, enjoy with my family, let other people enjoy them, taking them on rides, and do it for content. I care less about trying to beat somebody, but I'm down with having a good time and all of that. It ain't about bet. I don't care if I'm doing good. I'm not finna go out there and go bet XYZ amount of money. Even though I can, I'm not doing it. It ain't a smart business move to me, so you know. But anyway, that's enough of that. Like I said, I'm finna roll this clip. Let y'all see this shakedown at the track, man. Hey, thing got up out of there. I got a shout out to my boy Kyle, Silver Surfer SS. He got his YouTube channel on the screen, man. Go check him out. Y'all know we collabed already. He got a turbo F body too. Stick shield, the bad boy, bad, man. Go run his subscriptions up. I got to shout out Kyle because he let me use his front runners because find out I need some front tires. I knew that, but the wire showing on my 18, so when I get the car back, I got to go put 2 front tires on it. Zach was like, man, they ain't gonna let you run at the track like that. So hit Kyle up, man. He came through clutch. Let me use his front runner, so that's what it is. Got to shout him out. So yeah, that's enough. I'm gonna roll the clip. Y'all check it out, and then I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we back. Y'all saw the clip. That bad boy riding. Hey, you can say what you want. I've been telling people my car is smooth power. It's smooth power. All that radical stuff, just all that, hey man, sometimes it don't matter. My car is smooth power and it's a lot left, man. I give y'all this much. It's a lot of time it took out of my car. It's a lot of power left on the table, and it's just a lot of everything left on the table. For what my car is, it ain't nowhere near full potential. And I ain't even talking about full potential in the sense of like you pushing the edge, you pushing it to the edge, like the limit of maybe you might hurt the motor. I ain't talking about that. We very safe. That pass y'all seen, man, I can just boom all day long. All day long. Won't even think about hurting nothing. Drive it back home. That's it. And man, that new turbo. That knew everything. That knew everything. I done changed that whole car really since I got it. I done switched the whole car, and now it's I'm down to, let me think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down to 4 more things I got to do. That's it. 5. My bad. 5. And I'm gonna do them in 2 separate occasions. One load. Then I'm gonna be done with that car. Don't care what nobody else say. Hey, you can do this, it can go faster, or you wanted it. Nah, I'm gonna be done with it after that. That were my plans. When I do those 5 more things, I'm done. And it's still gonna be very dependable. It ain't nothing that's gonna change to the point where you can't drive it and enjoy it and all that. That's the plan. That's all. So yep, a lot of talking in this video. You know, you can listen or can not listen and all of that. I see that I got a lot of new people finding this channel first that ain't familiar with me. Listen, tell y'all straight up now, cause I see some of y'all be coming with these whack comments. And I know y'all got to be new, cause most people know how I get down on real detail. I talk, I explain stuff, this and that. If you feel like I talk too much, stop watching. This is what you're gonna get on video. I don't even care if it's action. I'm gonna talk and explain. So if you're new, stop watching. Period. It don't hurt nobody. It is what it is. Number 2 is what somebody said. Y'all know my line. Checking back in, man. Every clip. But keep doing it. You don't like it, stop watching. Anyway, we checking back in every clip. Y'all know how I start a video on what it do, y'all. What it do. That's my intro. So yeah. I just think it's funny, man. Y'all people find the time to get on the internet and y'all take the time out to write bullshit like that. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. It's simple with any YouTuber, any Facebooker, Instagram. Don't watch. If they annoy you or your attention span is that of a 3-year-old, don't watch. Go watch 3-year-old content. Go watch 4-year-old content, man. You know, kids got short content. So if you're an adult, I mean, got short mind attention span. So if you're an adult with a short attention span, you can't listen, go watch some kiddie content. That's what you do. And I'm speaking for everybody. I ain't speaking just for myself, I'm speaking for everybody. But yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I wasn't gonna show it. Y'all know in previous vlog I had said I wasn't gonna show it anyway. So I gave y'all at least one shakedown. So I don't know when the next time I go to the track. Like I ain't even felt the car myself. I don't know what the car feel like. It's a whole nother car now. But I don't know. We're gonna see. But y'all see me in the car soon. I will be picking it up this week. We're gonna be cranking up ride reactions. Y'all know that's what I do during the cold season, cause I can't get to the track and all of that. When I get Dolo finished and the Cutlass back and I got all 3 of them running at the same time, I'll be going ahead and rent the track. Taking all 3 of my car and my cousin coming too. You know, he invited. I'll be renting the track and I might let 2 more people get in. I'm gonna take care of that, my pocket and all that. And just, hey man, y'all come through, make some content and all that. You know, get your shine on. So that's the plan. That's the plan. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. We should be back to doing something this week, man. I'm gonna be moving around, going some other places, at least get some content for y'all, man. I might feature some other people, call, let them get some shine that I fool with. And yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in every day. I catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.